Hello, pretty face. Good morning. So today we are going to change the world. Okay, guys, we're not going to change the world, but we're going to change the handles, door handles, doorknobs, entry door, whatever. This one. So looking into the eyes of love. Okay, that's my love. Not your love. This one. Okay, looking. Okay, and after the removing, okay, you put this one, the what do you call this? Is Masilia, sorry, in Filipino. Okay, guys, so before I started loving you again, we need to do this tapal king. Okay, we are going to similia this one, this okay, those holy holes, man. Looking in the eyes of love, bulaga. Okay, so see you later, alligator. And of course, before anything else, you need to turning the lights down low, or the the Meralco beauty. Okay, now scrape. Okay, so add the hardener. This is the hardener to make it tangtun like this. Okay, so just a little bit of crazy, a little bit of pull. Okay, that's it. Because if too much love will kill you. Okay, too many. Okay, goodbye. Okay, that's it. Make it mix until it turns pinkish or reddish, or I don't know what color is this, but it's the colors of the wind, Okay, mixing. Okay, mixing like this. Okay, or make it very fast, like Japanese car, very fast. See, I told you, be careful. So every time, not only this, you need to be careful with my heart, okay? Always. So you put your left foot in and shake it all around, okay? So to hold the door. Okay. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect like your wife. Okay, so always bring with you a friend. This one, I'll show you my friend. Oh, sorry. It's a rubbish bin. It's basura. Yung friend mong basura. You need to always clean your, scraping, cleaning, always. See, you need your friend, the rubbish bin to, when you're cleaning, you throw the rubbish into your friend. Okay, the rubbish. Come here and I'll show you the shape of my heart. Showing the shape of my heart. So yeah, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're still going to sand it down and then put another like a skim coat or something, I don't know. So, yeah. Okay, so like I said, always bring your friend with you. Your best friend. Basura. Basura siya. To clean your scraper. Okay. Hardener. Just a little bit. Okay? Because if you put too much love will kill you. Okay. Just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we can always come back later to finish it. Like my English, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? Okay. Important thing is I tell you I love you, I love you. That's it, period. So always remember, you need to be quick. Always quick. Laging mabilis yan. Dapat mga galawan. Yan. Kasi break time na eh. So, okay. Diyan tayo mabilis pag break time. Oh my goodness. I'm all out of love. But not to worry. I'm not so lost without you. I bought extra one. Be. Hi guys. Get your brain and your pencil. And you get your tape measure. And you measure from the floor 1040. I make it 1040 for the center of the rope. Okay. 1040. So marking, okay? Don't forget to lock. You see this one, there's a lock. So you pull it, push it, or press it, or I don't know. To lock the tape measure, and put your left foot in and shake it all around and then mark it. Okay, now I'll show you the shape of my heart. Looking. So marking 1040. That's not a bird, that's a double M. So 1040 millimeter. It's not a bird, guys. Okay. Okay. Shut up. Like this. You see? Okay. You see. You see ka muna dyan. Okay. So make sure using your square. Shit. Ba't may barado ko? And put this like this, your escuela, triangular, square or okay. After getting yourself together, that's the line, that's our line. So all the way to here. Okay, looking, listening. Okay, listening here, looking here. After putting the masilla like this, okay, while waiting for dry your eyes, okay, you do the markings and you do the abuting, okay, the hole, okay, fire in the hole. You get your jig. Salpak like this, and then you put the jig, align the middle, align like this, looking, come here. Oh, you see how nice? That is the lining we did the writing in Surat Takus. Like this, okay? So the jig, put the jig and align it, put it in the middle, okay? Same with this one. So use the jig so you make your life easier, okay? Just like yours, Papa. Get the screws and your drill and your coat. The beauty. Like this. You see how nice? Beautiful. Grab your also this one for here. This is 2 1/8 inches or 54 millimeter. See how nice? To drill. Closing time. Okay. You don't, don't drill all the way, okay? From one side, you need to drill both sides, okay? When you see the tip on the edge of the earth, okay, take it out and then drill it from this side, on the other side, okay? Other side of the world, okay? So let's do this. Need to come on this side, insert coin, and punch 116942, and then start singing. Okay, you can make this the pilid of your lugan and give it to your son. Brum 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 brum. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, so after we abut this one, we go to the smaller one for the striker, Okay, for the buto-buto of the door, the locking, notching for this here, over here. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so get your tadam. This is 1 inch or 1 inch, 25 milli. Okay, 25 mm, 25 millimeter. And then you insert coin and then play. Okay, let's do this again. Smell it. Very nice. Making your life easy. Okay, so you can sirip on the other side of the world. Okay, you can see I can see Baguio City over there. Okay, I can see the beautiful girl walking down the street. Bring your sup puso negro. Bring your vacuum or use your nose to get the dust. Get this one, the buto. Insert it. Do alignment, making the centering of the earth, and aftering is getting the lapis. Ay na, yung lapis ko, yan pa isa. And now that I found you, let's do the marking on the wall. Okay. Oops, sorry. Get this, and then start hammering your head.